So I got this one. My AirPods, my earphone. It's wireless, guys. So it's open. And wow. There's a charger. Wow, it's a beach. So, dito siya yung saksak. Yung charging. It's good. Oh my God! Ang ganda! Wow! Wow! Oh my God! Look at. Wait, I will connect first in my Bluetooth. Ayan guys, so nakunik ko na siya sa Bluetooth. So ito po yung itsura niya pag nasuot na sa tainga nyo. So ito po yung itsura niya. So hindi talaga siya nalalaglag pag pag nasuot. Kahit magtumbling-tumbling ka pa guys, so hindi yan siya matatanggal. So in peso pala siya is 40 plus po siya in peso. Tapos in Korean won, Korean money is 98 peso like that. Na siya sa, dala na po siya sa sa shipping fee. So 98 po siya lahat in Korean won. So ayan, sa 40 plus po siya. So maganda naman siya guys, sulit naman siya. So pangarap ko talagang magkaroon ng ganito. So thank you so much for this. Wow, ang ganda. Finally, I have Korean AirPods wireless. Korean AirPod wireless. So, ayan. Ganda niya. So, yeah, finally. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for always watching, for always coming to my live. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye! Ang ganda.